In late January of 2023, an email was sent by Google Maps with a focus on videos. Masa, the product manager, continued this discussion on the Connect forum with fellow local guides. A question that surfaces consistently is around the integration of videos into our Google Maps content. When should we choose to upload a video? Why wouldn't a photo suffice? How can we determine opportunities where we can film more videos? Here are the top 6 reasons why I record a video at a location. Movement and sound, showcase of ambiance, perspective of size and surroundings, overview of elements and amenities, 360 views, and nature scenery. Let's now look at each more in depth. Number 1. Movement and sounds. A photo captures a moment that is fixed and still without any sound. Being able to hear the place adds an extra sensory layer. Also, if there is a moving object at the location, a video will allow viewers to see how it moves. This video allows us to hear the water showering down from a waterfall in front of a small cave. A photo would not have been able to capture the sounds and movement of the water. Only a video could capture fish swimming through the mirror as music plays. Number 2. Showcase of ambiance. The lighting, color, among other things captured in videos allow guides to set the tone of the location. A photo could not capture the flashing lights of this igloo art exhibit. I instead opted for a video that captured the dancing lights along with the eerie hum. The video allows you to hear the beeping of the games, and you can see how the purple light creates an almost ethereal glow. As you step out, you get a peek of how the rest of the museum is laid out, and you can hear the chatter of the other visitors. Number 3. Perspective of size and surroundings. Photos sometimes can't do justice to convey size. Panning videos can better convey the expansiveness, height, and/or depth of a location. They also let viewers get a sense of the surrounding features in a place of interest. The end of the bridge at the Mongolian Rim extends over an overlook. The video allows for a better perspective of just how high the bridge is, as you can see the tips of the pine trees. The height of the water tower was best shown through video. I also wanted to film it from the viewer's point of view with the camera slowly panning up, allowing you to feel as if you were standing there and looking up. The video panning shows just how wide the lake is, and you can see the surrounding bridge, sidewalk, and pavilion. Number 4. Overview of elements and amenities. While a photo only captures one spot, with a video you can move the camera to capture all those elements in one convenient medium. The video allows you to see how the elements of the playground connect together as well as visualize the size. You can see other amenities the park has, such as the bench, as well as an overview of the park with a sidewalk and grassy field. The video allows for quick tours so interested students can see how the studio is laid out and its size. Number 5. 360 views. 360 videos created by you standing in the middle of a location and filming in a circular motion adds to the immersiveness. This video not only shows the accessibility level of the trail, a concrete path, and a staircase with a handrail, it also shows a 360 of the city. You can also hear the city sounds and feel immersed. Number 6. Nature scenery. Videos additionally help capture the beauty of nature parks by allowing us to see how the environment sounds and interacts. The video shows the rock wall reflected in the water and the wind rippling it. you can hear the bird chirping and the panning shows the canyon. Sunbeams through the trees and wind passing through and the creek babbling makes an enchanting aura. That concludes our video. My hope is these tips will help fellow local guides like yourself get ideas and inspiration for adding videos. Until next time.